You will be absolutely amazed at what happens when you place a simple plastic bottle inside your toilet tank. A world-class hotel maintenance expert shared this brilliant high-end trick with me. To begin this viral transformation, take a clean bowl and add the ingredients to make the mixture. The first key ingredient in this professional trick is a high-quality fabric softener. Choose one with a signature scent you truly love. Just one capful of this aromatic liquid is all you need. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. But that's not all. To significantly enhance the overall effect and cleaning power, we are adding a large spoonful of pure baking soda. Now let's add a fresh, ripe lemon. This specific ingredient is absolutely essential for the reaction we want. Lemon is naturally antibacterial, fights stubborn mineral smells, and drastically enhances the cleaning power of the entire mixture. Simply squeeze out every single drop of that fresh juice and add it directly into the bottle with the rest. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Next, pour in a full glass of room temperature water. You will notice that we are not filling the bottle all the way to the top. There is a very specific technical reason for that. We are leaving a small amount of space for our next step, which is exactly what makes this trick work perfectly every time you use it. Once all of these powerful ingredients are inside the container, close the bottle cap as tightly as possible and turn it upside down. Now take a small pin or a sharp nail and very carefully puncture a tiny, precise hole in the top of the bottle. This little invisible hole is the master key to this entire viral trick. Your guests will be absolutely amazed at how fresh your bathroom smells, and they will be begging you to tell them your secret. The best part? This trick is completely customizable to your taste. Just switch out the fabric softener for a different scent whenever you want a brand new fragrance in your home. Now it is finally time to put this miracle solution to use. Lift the heavy lid off your toilet tank and carefully place the prepared bottle inside, ensuring the hole is facing downward toward the water. Here is where the real magic happens. Every single time you flush, the water pressure causes the mixture to slowly release into the tank, instantly freshening your bathroom with a clean, pleasant, and inviting scent.